Warning signs of kidney disease. Kidneys are organs that filter the blood of bodily waste and help excrete it from the body through urine. Kidneys have two small structures called nephrons that oversee much of the responsibility of kidney functions. When kidneys stop working properly, toxins can build up, leading to different signs and symptoms, such as trouble concentrating, fatigue, weakness, etc. Even more critical, kidneys are responsible for the hormones that help your body create red blood cells. And a lack of red blood cells will affect how much oxygen is delivered to the brain, muscles, etc. The body needs clean blood to function correctly. It is critical to recognize early symptoms of kidney problems or disease. Because when the kidney stops working, you will develop a condition called uremia. And the consequences of having uremia is that it will lead to kidney failure if not treated. Other consequences of uremia are life-threatening symptoms such as heart attack, loss of consciousness, or even seizures. Following are some early warning signs of kidney disease you must know to protect you and your family. Swollen feet and face. Puffy face, feet, hands, legs, and ankles are some early signs that your kidney is failing or not functioning correctly. When your kidneys are weak or failing and cannot excrete or get rid of sodium properly, fluids will build up in your body, leading to leaking protein through your urine, which could lead to edema and prevent your lymphatic system from functioning correctly. Short of breath. A hormone called erythropoietin is very critical to the body's proper functioning. The hormone signals to your body to produce red blood cells. When you lack red blood cells, it leads to anemia, and when you have anemia, you will constantly feel breathlessness, exhausted, windless, airless, panting, short-winded, etc., all as a consequence of kidney disease or problems. You feel foggy constantly. A healthy kidney filters all waste out of the body, and when your kidneys stop working correctly or are failing, toxins will build up and fog your brain, blocking your brain from getting the oxygen it needs to function correctly. When this happens, dizziness and trouble concentrating will become apparent. Lack of sleep. Good sleep is very critical to how we function as humans. When you lack sleep, it can damage your organs over time. A clinical study confirms the possible relationship between chronic kidney disease and sleep apnea. And sleep apnea will, over time, prevent your body from getting enough oxygen to function. Blood and urine. One of the kidney's primary functions is to cleanse the blood of bodily toxins through urination. And when the kidney's ability to filter the blood is weakened due to kidney disease, the blood full of toxins will eventually leak through urination. And often, this urine will look pinkish or red as blood in your urine. Either way, blood in the urine is a sign of weakened kidneys. Another sign that your kidney is failing or diseased is the frequency of urination and when you start seeing foam in your urine. If you notice a layer of foam in the toilet after you pee, there is a good chance your kidneys are leaking out proteins. These proteins are typical of albumin, the same proteins found in eggs. Constantly being tired. The hormone made by your kidney tells your body to make red blood cells. Fewer red blood cells will prevent your body from delivering the oxygen your body requires to function correctly and support your brain and muscles. A weakened or diseased kidney that does not filter waste as it should often leads to toxins buildup. And when that happens, you will constantly feel tired, weak, and have trouble concentrating. Itchy skin. Toxins build up because if your kidney is failing and can't flush out toxins, it will lead to rashes and could make your skin itch constantly and all over. This is because the buildup of toxins in your bloodstream will manifest into mineral and bone disease, which can cause skin rashes and various other skin conditions. Lack of appetite. A weak or diseased kidney can lead to nausea, which will lead to an upset stomach. When you have an upset stomach or nausea, you will lack appetite or have little craving for food. These obvious warning signs of kidney problems should never be ignored. If you or someone you love suffers from any of these symptoms, you must seek the advice of a urologist immediately to avoid further complications that could lead to kidney failure or death. Following are references we used in the creation of this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.